afternoon, everybody. It is just about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I believe. And we got a Southbound engine. I think you guys can see if I zoom it all the way in. There she is. ELS 502 and ELS 402. Yes, now probably asking me, like, wasn't the last year we saw 501 and 503? Yeah, they went to Green Bay. Yeah, I saw my video yesterday. 402 came north from Credits. And all there's 3 engines obviously here with a derailment. Well, now they've now switched up the units. 502 and 402 are, as you can tell, doing this one. They're at the Holmes Junction, first of the 4 crossings here in Beecher, folks. This is actually, yep, because there's this, the log yard, Wackerly Road, which we are on right now, and then the other one. So let me get the heck moving over here. I'm going to get onto the ATV track for this one, actually, because it's a beautiful view. Because this is actually nice. But, yeah, so they were switching in Pembine. Unfortunately, I couldn't be there. I was out for lunch, so didn't have time to get over to that spot. But, yeah, so now we get to see the newy looking 502 in a minute, guys. And I want you to guess what I mean newy looking in a minute. You'll see that there's one difference to 502 this time, and he's leading. See if the comments you guys can guess it, or in the premiere. That's a challenge. I have seen a picture of it, but I'm not seeing it in person here, folks. This is going to be cool, actually, to see how it looks. You guys can now hear it, definitely. But yeah, this is the ATV/snowmobile track we are sitting on, as you can tell, for one reason. Sign over there. That tells us, like, we are really close to Pembine. You guys can start to hear now. Like I say, here she comes, folks. We're at, this is gonna be crossing number 3 of the 4. Wackerly Road here, folks. And I'm gonna be flying here for a minute. Not a long one, but it's a good one, folks. Lumber. Alright, there we go. Holy cow, they're flying. Thank you guys for watching. If you like and subscribe as always. See you next time. Peace out, everybody.